Hello everyone, welcome to BotTales Lab. Today I'm going to teach you how to do coding in your Arduino. So today first of all in starting we are going to see code for LED, that is how to on LED using code and Arduino, and how to blink LED using Arduino and code. So let's get started. So firstly go on Google and search for Tinkercad. Just log into your account of Tinkercad. After logging to your account, go in create option, go in circuit option. After going to circuit option, first of all we will take our Arduino Uno. This is how our Arduino Uno looks. Then as we want to blink our LED, we will take our LED. And as I always said in starting, we have to take resistor with our LED. So we will take resistor and we have to connect resistor to our positive leg of LED, that is anode, and negative leg we will connect to ground. So here you can see in Arduino G and D means our ground. So we will connect this leg to our ground and we will connect this just to any digital pin. Let's consider we are connecting to D7. As I said you in Arduino video that we have 14 digital pin and 6 analog pin, and we can set digital pin as input or output. So similarly we want to on our LED, so we will connect it in our digital pin. Now we want to code it. Why we have to code it? See. Here, if we will start simulation, we can see that our LED is not glowing. Why it is not glowing? Because Arduino is our microcontroller. We didn't give any command to it. It don't know only what to do with that component, whatever we connected with it. It don't know only what we have to do with it. So for that, we have to give it some command. How we will give it some command? We will give it that command by providing code to it. Okay. So here we can see code button. Just click on it. After clicking on it, here we can see one option. They have three types of coding we can do. One is block coding, another is block plus text coding, and another is text coding. So one by one we will see each and every type of coding later on, but today we are going to see block coding. Block coding basically it is the simple type of coding. Already pre-built blocks are available. You just have to take that blocks. You have to change its value as high, low. You have to change pin number, and easily you can do coding. In text coding, you have to write full code. Each and everything you have to type manually in coding. And in block plus text code, it's mixture of block plus text. Okay, so just clicks on block code. Whatever predefined codes are there, you can just delete it by drag and drop. Just drag and drop it, and it will get deleted. Okay, now for doing code for LED, firstly we have to on LED. So what we will do here, we can see different option are there: output, input, notation, control, math, variable. In output we can see different things are there: set, built-in LED, set pin, then rotate motor, turn on speaker, serial monitor, LCD, RGB. Each and everything we will see later on. Later in input we can see the digital read, analog read, these all things. Input is for sensor, output is for our LED. Whatever output we will get, like in output we will connect LEDs, buzzer, LCD. These all are our output. And what are our input? Our input means our sensor, because we are getting data from sensor. So that all comes in our input. Later notation, in something notation we want to put our code in comment for understanding our code. We will use notations. Later control, what control means? So basically how we want to control our code based on some condition. Different conditions are there. Then wait time is there. Different loops are there. So according to that we can control our code on different condition. It is called as control. Then match means in various code we have to use match like greater than symbol, less than symbol, equal to symbol, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Different symbols we have to use. In coding we can use that all by match. In variable we can create different variable according to our need, whatever we want. Each and everything we will see further as we will move further slowly by slowly. So for today purpose, just click on output button and here you can see set pin. Set building LED means in our LED, in our Arduino building LED is there. As I said you, here are building LED is there. So this, so we can blink that LED if we do coding for building LED. But now we connect our external LED. So for that, we will take this pin, set pin to high. And after that, here you can see different pin number. From 0 to 13, this is our digital pin, and from A0 to A5, these are analog pin. That is 14 digital pin and 6 analog pin. So here where we connect our LCD, we connect it in pin number 7. So from here we will choose pin number 7. And here two states are there, high and low. High means our LED will be on, and low means our LED will be low. So now we want to on our LED, so we will set it on high. Okay. So after this, just click on start simulation. As we will click on start simulation, we can see that our LED is turning on. Similarly, if you will turn it low and you will start simulation, here you can see our LED off as is off. As I said you, on low our LED will be off, and on high our LED will be on. Again set it to high and start simulation. Again our LED will get on. Okay. So this is how we can on our LED by using Arduino. Now further we will see how to blink our LED. That is, we will do it on, off, on, off after some time. Okay, so now here we want to put some wait time in it, that for some time it should be on. After that it should get off. Again after some time it should get on. Again after some time it should get off. So for that we should have to put wait time in it. That with that wait time we will get in a control option. So after going to control, you can see wait block is there. So just drag that block and put it below of our pin block. So we put it here. Wait is 1 second. Here you can change it into millisecond, second. Here you can change value also different. Then again we will take set pin option. Again we will set is to pin number 7, as we have connected to pin number 7. Now here what is happening? Firstly our LED will get high. Then it will wait for 1 second. Means for 1 second it will be high. Now what we want to do? Now we want our LED to get low. That is, we want it to turn off. So for turning it off, what command is there? We have to provide it with low. So now we will put low. Now what is happening? Our LED is high for 1 second. Later it will get low. After getting low again, we have to put it high na. So again here we will put one more wait block. So here we put wait block. So now what is happening? Our LED will be high for 1 second. Later it will turn low for 1 second. That is, it will be on for 1 second. It will off for 1 second. Again it will on for 1 second. It will off for 1 second. This whole thing will continue running low. Let's see it. Just click on start simulation. After you will click on start simulation, you can see what is happening. Our LEDs turn on for 1 second, then it turn off, off, on, off. Every 1 second is turning on and turning off. If you want to increase delay, so you can change that delay, just change this value to 2. Again change this value to 2. So now what will happen? For 2 seconds it will turn on, and 2 seconds it will turn off. See, you can see its speed get increased. If you want to decrease speed, what you will do? Here you can choose 0.5 second. Here also you can choose 0.5 seconds. So now it will blink fastly. See, as you can see, here it is blinking fastly as compared to before. Okay, understand? Now let's come on to the summary today. What we learn? Firstly, we'll learn how to connect LED to Arduino and how to do programming of it. So what we did, from component we took Arduino LED and register. We connect LED to our pin number 7, and another pin we connect to ground of LED. Later we go in code option, and here we learn how to do block based coding. So what we took in from output, we took set pin block firstly, and later firstly we just saw how to on our LED. Later, for blinking our LED, what we have to do? We have to turn it on for some second, and we have to turn it off for some second. We have to do this thing in loop. So what we took? Firstly we took normal block by which our LED will get on. Later we put it to wait time for some time. Then we took another block by which our LED will get off. Later again we put wait block. So like this, we will start simulation. You can see our LED is getting blink. After every half second is changing state from idle, that is turning on and turning off. Okay, understand? That's it for today. Thank you.